Hey guys, this is day 27 of my 365 Airtool challenge, and today I explore HeyGen AI. So basically, HeyGen is a AI avatar video platform, and we can create a talking avatar video, generate AI voiceover, translate videos, and create content without using a camera. Okay, so once you finish sign up, you can see this interface, and you can see we have main feature, creating avatar, AI studio, translate videos, and let's check avatar. So we can go to avatar, and you can see. So you just go to avatar. You can either create your own avatars by clicking on the create button, and you can here you can see you can clone a real person or you can create a virtual character. So for to clone a real person, you just click on this. So now you can see we can either clone a real person or create a virtual character. And let's check first clone a real person. So with the clone a real person, you can create your own avatar. So because we can say because I already created one avatar before, it's not letting me to create new one because I'm using free version. So now let's try the create a virtual character. So with the virtual character, you can upload a photo or design with the AI. I'll just choose design with the AI, and you can see. So I can just put any name. Let's say Sid, and I can choose age, and I can keep like any maybe some. I can choose ethnicity. If it is Nepali, I can choose Nepali. Otherwise, I'll just say South Asian. Or describe your avatar. Try a sample. Once you finish this all, you can just generate preview. So now you can see. So I can choose one of these. So I'll choose the second one, and you can save. You can clone even your voice. So just click on clone your voice, and you can read this script. So because I already cloned my voice before, so I'll choose just any random voice. So maybe this one, Andrew,
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone
and
preview.
select, and I can
Take a
select
quick
the
listen.
voice,
A great voice clone should sound.
and I can select this voice, and now I can choose this one. Now I can use this in a video. So you can even manage your avatar of voice. You can see in avatar, this is your avatar, and you can change the look. You can design with the AI, and same with the voice. You can delete, you can change, you can create new one. I'll ask create a video of me explaining about AI tools, and just click enter. Now you can see the summary. So you can see the script and style, avatar and voice, and the details, 40-second portrait English. And now let's click on generate. Now you can see the video is ready, and just you can watch
Hi,
now.
I'm Seed. Today we're diving into the essential AI tools shaping our world in 2026. In video creation, tools like Sora and Runway have evolved. Hi, I'm Seed. Today we're diving into the.
So you can even edit a copy in AI Studio, and you can even change the scene here. And if you're happy with the video, you just click on the I download icon, and you can download the video. You can also convert your photo to video or script to video. So for example, I'll just do script to video, and here you can just write any script. You can even use a script writer. You just write anything, and it can generate a script for you. And if you're happy with the script, you just click on continue. And here you can add avatar, voice, style, or instruction. I'll just choose the default option and click continue. After finish this, the video will be generated for same like before. So I think that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.